Hey beginner flute players, as promised, I'm recording a quick video on 1B to help you make sure you know what fingers to press down. I just came in after a run, so apologize for the appearance. So throughout the exercise, you're going back to B flat. So review, your thumb is gonna be on the teardrop. You're gonna have your first finger and your pinky, and those are gonna stay down the entire exercise. So in measure 1, you're going to A natural. So you're just putting down this second finger. You wanna make sure you're blowing across the hole. You notice my aperture is like a pancake. It's not really rounded, it's flat. Measure 3, you're going to A flat. That's thumb, 1, 2, 3, pinky. Your pinky, like I said, your right pinky stays down, your first and your thumb stay down. So you're basically putting down the rest of your left hand. Measure 5, you're going to G, 1, 2, 3. So you're just putting down these 2 fingers. Measure 7, you're going to G flat, which is 1, 2, 3, 6. So you're putting down these 2 plus the ring. Measure 9, you're going to F, 1, 2, 3, 4. And measure 11, you're going to go to E natural, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 13, low E flat, is practically everything. So you're going to put down the rest of your right hand, the rest of your left hand, minus the left pinky. The left pinky is the only thing that's not down. And if you notice throughout the whole exercise, my hand doesn't move. My fingers just go up or down. I'm not shifting my hands around. They just stay put. So hopefully that helped.